Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see in the title, I'm going to be doing a frontal wig install for the first time, or a wig install for that matter for the first time. So today I'm going to be doing it on my mother. So first thing, we pull out our ear, comb it out, and then cane roll the ear, go straight back for it to lay flat. So here me I put on the stocking. Me actually get a stocking for match her complexion to lay the wig for it to actually look like her skin. So I just use the got to be glued because I don't have any wig glue. So me use the got to be glued. Add about 2 layers or 3 layers of the glue, and then they use the got to be sprayed. Add about 2 or 3 of the got to be sprayed. So first me did I try use the piece of paper for dry it. It never did it work, so I tried the blow dryer. It then did it work neither, I know. Cause after me did it all and I blow. It never did I get dry as fast as how I wanted it to be. So I'm just do it as to how I feel say it alright. So here's now I cut off the excess lace. I pull back some of the excess stocking, I mean. So I pull back some of the stocking cap to match her hairline. Gotta be something different. So now I'm gonna catch up the hair out of the way in order to line up the frontal to her hairline. So I added another layer of the got to be glued because it never did a stick as how I wanted it to. So here now I'm try my best to lay the lace for it to stay. Guys, remember, say my first time I try do this. So if it is that there's anything that I was doing wrong, please let me know in the comment section. Anything that I can do. But no, say if I did have the lace glue, it would have actually all a bit better. But if there's anything else that I could do with the got to be glue or the spray, just let me know in the comment section below. So here, so now I'm gonna lay the lace on the other side, and I realize see the other side come up. So I'm gonna just continue do what I do and have her hold down the side. Arguing, trifling, difficult. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. So after I feel satisfied now, say, lay down alright. I just use the elastic and tie around, and then use the kerchief for extra hole. So now I just use the hot comb in order to get the front a bit flatter. I did the other side off camera, so I can roll the other side off camera. So now I can roll this side. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play, right around talk to me. after I'm done caring over the front part now, I say me da go try and curl it. Get some big curl for see how it stay. Made it a little curl and in a curl. Me actually reach halfway a curl. I'ma realize it now look good. So I just get some other curl activator and rub it in the ear. So I just take out back the one them I curl before. Rub the curl activator in a hit. See the wig get back a natural curls. So now may I try for make baby ear. As me say, may I try cause I don't know how to make baby hair. Watch here so the lady I feel herself. Lady feel nice. So anyways, may I try the style when me see my Instagram and TikTok with the curling iron for curl the front and make the baby ears. But mind you, it did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out. So I just do with what I can do. So here now is the finishing product. I'm actually proud of myself for how it turned out. Watch the lady I laugh. Lady feel nice. Watch all the ear nice. So this is how it turned out, guys. Remember, if there is anything else, let me know in the comment section below. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my